Hello, welcome back to my tutorial for the Snake game of Java, and this is part 9. This is also the last part for this series. And this series mm, produced a simple game on Java, so all of you can use this code to learn and for your practice on the class and many things. Yeah, many purpose. Alright, so what will we do in this part? Yeah, in this part we will fix some bug in this game, and I think we have two basically bugs. So I will show you the bugs. Alright, the first is when the snake go outside the board, and we see here the snake head is actually go outside the board, and I think this is not good, so we need to put the snake. We need to detect the game over when the snake head is still in the board. Alright, and this is the first bug, and let's run it. And the last, okay, alright, uh, the next bug is the when we change the direction. And you can see, alright, I will explain it in the paint so you can easy to understand. Alright, we have a snake here, and when I change the direction, alright, so the first direction we have here is the right, and then I change it to the down. If I don't do anything immediately, the snake head will change to the down, but if I change the snake head to the left, for example, immediately, so do you get the alright. I prevented in three or two parts, but I did a code. I did write a code that prevent this, but that code is not enough for this situation. So I will fix this. You know, in the game you can see I immediately change the direction. So the snake, I will run again. Down left. Alright. 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 I just press up, and then immediately press I pressed the right. So the snake head is here. It's overlap on the first body. The first body cell here. Alright. And alright, so we have two bugs need to fit in this part. So I will do the first right now. So the first bug, we will change something in the movement snake here. Alright, so you can see the snake head here. Alright, now we need to detect in the future uh, it means we will uh, we will we will detect the head before we update the head. All right, we detect if we uh, if we going to increase, going uh, to the next step, whether the head uh, is outside of the board in the future. If that, we uh, we we won't do the codes in the movement snack, and if no, we will do all the code in this function. Alright, so to do that, we need to write a function that return two coordination represent for the x coordination and the y coordination, so that we will, we will get exactly the head in the future if we do the step the next step for the snake head right here and get the position head. Right, get the next position head. I will copy this code here. The head S and the head Y. Here I will, alright, head Y equal head Y minus 1, and here is the head Y equal head Y plus 1, and here head S equal head S minus 1, and the last one, the head S equal the head S plus 1. Alright, I need to change something. The future head S, and here future head Y. Alright, and here I will return the alright. Define an array for the result 2, and there is the first is the future head S, and the second is the future head Y, and here alright, I need to the value for this, and I return the result here. Alright, and here I will get the future position head by calling the function get next position of head, and when I check if the future, if the is in the outside, is the snake outside the boat. No. Alright, I will call some code here, not using the function. Alright, if the future position 0, it means head less than 0, or the bigger or equal the matrix size, or future position head 1 less than 0, or the future position 1 bigger or equal to matrix size. And or I'm sorry, the snake head coordination with the body here. I will set this and another. I will do all the codes here. Oh yeah. Alright. Okay, position head. Alright, we'll remove this. Okay. Alright, and let's run the code. Go up. Alright, and it worked. Alright, so let's continue to the last purpose. Alright, we go to the key press here. Alright, like I said before, here, if we are going to right, and when I press the down button, and immediately when I immediately press the left button, so the snake here, the snake, the head immediately go to there. Okay, so you can see the snake first has 5 cells, but after the bug, the snake just had the 4 cells. So I will show you the bug. Run again. Alright, you can see here we have 4 cells here. Right, because we use the timer, and in the period we have 2 threads here. You know threads. The timer is also a thread, and before so before we call the function update, we just press 2 times, and we just detect the direction here. So so the code here is not enough to process this case, right? So to fix this, we will I will provide a new variable to detect. Alright, is applied. Alright, no. Right, I need a name for this case. Alright, direction changes. Fonts. And here I will check if the direction changes equal font. We will do all the code in this block. Alright, and every time we change the direction, I will change the direction change equal through here. And here, and in every time we update, alright, every time we move the snake here, I will change the direction to phone again, so that we can change the direction. Alright, so let's run it. I will do alright. So I can change the snake head immediately to do that bug again. Alright, so this is the end of the video, and thank you so much to watching this series. And if you like the video, please hit the thumbs up button, and don't forget to subscribe the channel and support me. That is the job for supporting me. Alright, and again, thank you for watching, and see you next time. See you in the next series. Bye bye.